So the a lot of people use the terminal in the IDE, and like there's definite benefits to that. Like you have one app. What's interesting that's happening in the world of like AI based development is that I think neither actually the IDE nor the terminal actually makes sense as the sort of primary tool for the future of code. What makes the most sense is a some sort of workbench where you as a developer just tell the computer what you want to do. And so the standard workflow for someone using an IDE today is like you'll open up the IDE, let's say you're trying to build a feature. And so you'll open up, you'll find all the files that might be relevant to building that feature. And then you'll start writing a function. You'll start writing a class definition. Maybe if you're using something like Copilot or Cursor, you'll get a bunch of completions, and that will help you do it. But you're basically doing what I call coding by hand. And so it's like a very much like the level of abstraction you're working at today as developers, like you hand build all this stuff. Or likewise, if you're using the terminal, what you're typically doing is you're running a bunch of commands, and you're doing those things by hand. But the world that we're moving towards is something where rather than doing anything by hand as a developer, or at least doing by hand from the outset, what you're going to do is you're going to work by prompt. And what that means is you're going to describe the feature that you want to build in English, and the AI, with some level of autonomy, and I think increasing autonomy, is going to solicit whatever information it needs from you and from your environment, and then it's going to go do that task. And so I guess my hypothesis is that the IDE is not actually like the right place to do that.